So if you're working within the SOC, Security Operations Center, there are two things that you normally would have to fall into. So if you're working within a SOC, Security Operations Center, there are two areas that usually you fall into one of this. Is it that you are working within the analysis part, whereby you are doing investigation, analysis, responding to tickets and all of those kind of stuff, or you are doing the engineering part. Engineering, that is maintaining the platform itself, deploying the platform, managing the platform. So usually what you have is that you have some guys that deploy the entire platform. Let's say the platform you are using is Microsoft Sentinel and you are using maybe Defender for Endpoint, and maybe you are using Proofpoint and some other tools. You will have the engineers that would deploy those platforms and manage it, integrate it, maintain it, make sure it's working perfectly fine. Those are the engineers. So those guys are responsible for deploying and managing and engineering the platform to work properly. And then there are the other guys. The other guys focus on the analysis. So they are the guys that log into the platform and then see the logs, see the tickets, and they focus on doing more of analysis, investigation, responding to the tickets, responding to the alerts, investigating the incidents and all of that. So usually within the SOC, you have the guys that are the engineering guys doing the deployments and maintenance of the platform, and you have the analyst guys doing more of analysis, responding to tickets and all of that. So those are the two critical roles that you usually find within a SOC environment. There are other roles which are a little bit more specific in terms of title, but in terms of the kind of work that they do, these are the two parts that you have. Now, when it comes to the title part, you have the security engineers. The security engineer will do the deployment, maintenance, and all of that. And then you have the security analyst. Those ones are the guys that respond to the ticket and do all of the hands work of the incident response and all of that. And then there are some other roles such as incident responder. So if you have a major incident, you can escalate it to an incident responder. Sometimes some SOC do not have this. They just merge it into the role of a senior analyst, maybe a level 3 analyst. Those are like the highest level within a SOC in terms of the analyst. They will be the one responsible to responding to incidents. So they will also serve as an incident response. You have like threat hunting guys, threat intel guys. Those guys will be the ones to be looking for threat intelligence and using that to enrich the SOC. And the L2 analyst is just like the L1 analyst as well. They are doing the analysis and responding to tickets as well. So I think those are just the things that we have within a SOC. So you need to find your place. Most of the time, people get in as an analyst, and then with time they become like an incident responder, like a senior person, and later on they move to engineering parts. Engineering part is believed to be a much more technical space whereby you have to think about the architecture, design, implementation, maintenance, and all of that, making sure that the platform is working properly. And those are the roles that you have within a SOC. My name again is Jamiu. I'm a cybersecurity consultant based in London and a PhD researcher at the NSU Center for Cyberspace. I talk about cybersecurity leadership and growth. If you're interested in this, follow this page and I'll be sharing more context. Thank you.